Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hope all of you are well. In this video, we are going to discuss a very important topic, which is through highlighted in last year. It was in limelight throughout the year. It was suspension of MPs from Parliament as well as conviction of Rahul Gandhi. So political aspects aside, we will not going into see the political aspects related with it or the controversy, but here we will catch the topic from pre or mains point of view. You have to keep in mind that there are two aspects here: suspension of MP where power of Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha throughout, that means the power of president in Lok Sabha and chairman in Rajya Sabha, as well as provisions dealing with constitution regarding the conviction of MPs or MLAs. The two aspects are here, and from prelim points of view, regarding conviction, that means the provisions of constitution regarding conviction, convicted MPs or MLAs, and the provisions regarding the power of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha for suspension of the members. Related with power of legislative assemblies in case of suspension of MLAs. So when we catch it from prelims point of view, obviously representative of People Act lays the ground for the eligibility criteria of members. Here representative of People's Act and section 8 is important here. Article dealing with the disqualification of MPs and MLAs. Provisions for disqualifications of convicted MPs, MLAs or whatever. Power of president in Lok Sabha, power of chairman regarding the disqualification in any members, and same way in legislative assemblies also. Article 102 of the Indian Constitution. Important judgments of Supreme Court. Role of Election Commission here, because under Representative of People Act, Section 11 of Representative of People Act has entrusted some duties to the Election Commission in this case. So role of Election Commission in conducting fair elections. Role of anti-defection law and thereby 10th schedule of Indian Constitution, and legal remedies. Legal remedies means if any person is convicted who is in MP, MLA, right, and what legal remedies are available in front of him. And one thing you have to keep in mind when you are preparing for prelims examination, you have to be very objective. Do not make guess. For example, you have to be very specified. For example, on which day an MPs or MLA is qualified from the house in case of conviction. On that particular day, after 6 months, after 2 months, after 1 month. In that way, you have to be very specified in this case. So these are some things which you have to consider for pre regarding various provisions dealing with Indian Constitution regarding disqualification and convicted. There are two aspects, always keep in mind, do not be confused. Convicted, in case of convicted means the role of power, convicted by the court, legal court, and suspension is in case of the power of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and legislative assemblies. The both are different, right? And from the mains point of view, actually suspension of MLA, because the in-house means in parliament, it is the elected president of Lok Sabha or chairman of Rajya Sabha. Is there any possibility of misusing the power of chairman and president in case of in suspending the MPs, or can it be used by the ruling party to curb the voice of democracy, or is it inimical to the fundamental principle of democracy? If it is true, what might be the way forward or solutions? These are some main questions, and it can be equally used for essay, or it can be used as inputs in any answer regarding polity, essay, public administration or wherever relevant. In that way, role of election commission in conducting fair election. What role election commission can play here, and is in the emerging situation, it is said that election commission is not impartial or not doing the duty as entrusted by the constitution. Is it true? Provisions of Indian constitution as well as various laws and acts dealing with disqualification of MPs or convicted MPs, right? You can use all these things as input in various answers, not in a particular answer, but you can, if you prepare these notes, you can use it as input in various answers, including essays. In that way, powers of president in MP in powers of president in Lok Sabha and chairman in Rajya Sabha, can it be misused regarding the suspending of MPs? And again, it is related, can it be used by the political parties or ruling parties to curb the voice of democracy? So these are some prelims and mains point of view which you have to consider this current affair topic. So I will come again with another video. Till then, take care and bye bye.